All right, guys. So got everything set up perfectly. I'm just gonna wait for a couple more members to join in. Welcome everyone. Doing another live stream here today. Excited to have you guys here. For those that are new, welcome to La Familia. I'm super excited to have you guys here. So this is actually a trade that I sent out to my VIP. So VIP members are taking advantage of this trade setup. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So I'll put my stop loss here. I want to manage the trade as best as I can here. Okay, so I've already secured some profits there, but just wanted to welcome everyone. I'm gonna update the video here as well too, because I want to make sure everything's lining up. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so I'm just going to change a few things here. So as you guys could see, take profit smash. So TP2 is just about to get hit here. It's already been hit at 43 pips. I've already moved my stop loss to entry, so it's officially a risk-free trade. But yeah, congratulations to those that were able to profit with me. Like I said, this trade setup was sent to my VIP members. So yeah, congratulations to those that took advantage of the opportunity. This is all this morning as well, so I just you know, happy to be able to learn and earn with our members. So they've already moved their stop loss to entry. It's officially a risk-free trade. So, and we've already taken partial profits. Like I said, I sent this out to my VIP members this morning. Beautiful gold sell. So yeah. By the way, if you guys want to trade live with me and my students, and you want to catch trades like these, and there's many others. This one's actually a little bit more slower of a day. You guys could click the link in my bio. You'll be able to see access to my VIP inner circle, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys there on the other side. Almost looks like maybe TP3 is about to get ahead because we're at 50 pips profit so far this morning. Nice, things tanking. Look at that, it's just tanking. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's freaking go. When you're drawdown, you just have to work with it, my man. Like sometimes there's not much you can do other than just hold the trade, but you know, realize, okay, what did I do wrong here? You know what I mean? What's the mistake here? What happened? What can I improve on? Right? That's usually the best advice I can give you. Just give me one sec. And there you have it, guys. Another beautiful VIP setup. 70 pips profit. Oh, dude, it's getting wrecked. Closing that. Oh, shoot. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Take profit destroyed out about 99 pips. Holy smokes. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but take a look at this. You guys saw it live in the flesh. Give me one sec here. All right, Mr. 1102, nice, thank you, bro. I appreciate it, my man. As you guys saw it, you saw it live in the flesh. Like this thing literally tanked. All of our VIP members were able to profit. That was about a 99 pip move. Super excited for this setup for the day. That's how we do it. Let's go. I'm just going to do a quick video here. And as you guys can see, we hit take profit 3 at 99 pips. Let's freaking go. If you want to trade live with me and my students in my VIP inner circle, make sure you click the link right over here. See you on the other side. Okay, guys, this is awesome. Again, not only is it just because we were able to profit, but also because other students are learning and understanding how I'm looking at the markets. It's important, and I want to actually do a video breakdown on this, which actually I'm going to also, now that we're live here, I'm going to also go live on our Instagram just so that we can kind of do a recap of everything. So give me 1 second here. Give me 1 sec here. Okay, so you got it, bro. That's spot on. That is spot on. Okay. We're gonna cover this, and then we're gonna take a look at US 30. We'll take a look at NAS 100. We'll take a look at a couple different other pairs, but we're just waiting for a couple more people to join us through our Instagram and through our YouTube channel. Really excited to have you guys here. So another day, another opportunity. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to our other gold chart and just kind of recap what I saw. Okay. And if you guys actually, before I actually recap this, I also want to let everyone on my Instagram know that if you want to see my charts every single day, you guys could see what I'm sharing on my Instagram. Sorry, on my YouTube channel. I explain everything and what I see. Okay. So first and foremost, I want to show you guys, for those that didn't see it, this beautiful setup that we took. About 99 pips profit. We were risking about 45 pips, which is usually what I like to risk anyways. But you guys could see here, this was a beautiful setup from this morning. Literally, we just got in and out nice and quick in less than 10 minutes with my VIP students. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this beautiful win. Okay, it is possible if you put in the work, guys, and if you are disciplined, you have the right information. Okay. Also, if you guys want to, I'm gonna put here, follow my YouTube channel at official pedrofx. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna pin this here. Hey, we got my boy Christian. Let's go, bro. Let's go. He says, bro, yesterday you did an analysis on G for me, and I woke up today seeing take profit hit on GU. God bless you. No, man. God bless you too, bro. That's like I said, man. At the end of the day, once you have a strategy in place, once you're confident in what you do, once you're confident in what you know, things get a lot more easier, right? And it just becomes a lot more simplified. So I'm just super happy to be able to help you guys as much as I can. And by the way, like I said, if you guys want to see my chart, because I'm going to do a breakdown, drop a fire in the chat. Actually, drop a fire in the chat if you enjoy my content, if you love watching the videos and you love the live streams. I want to see those fire emojis. Drop those fire emojis right now, team. I see a lot of hearts. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. But yeah, it's one of those things where I try the best that I can. You know what I mean? Like this is what I'm talking about, right? Like I really want to share and help you guys as much as possible. Why? Because I went through probably the most hardest time of my life trying to figure this stuff out, right? And I prayed to God and I said, God, give me the wisdom, help me understand this, because I just don't know how to figure this out. You know what I mean? And it was just so much information at once. You know, but when you get the right information, you put in the work, eventually it all starts making sense, right? Okay, so I'm going to be sharing right now the breakdown of that exact gold trade, and I appreciate the love. You guys are awesome. We've got Mr. 1102. We've got a couple people on the Instagram as well. Real Pop, let's go, my man. I appreciate you. We got RB Hillian, bro, thank you so much. We got Shubham, thank you so much. We got Christian, we got Michael, let's go. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man, seriously, because you guys are supportive, and at the same time, like I said, I want to be able to give back to you guys as much as I can, as much value. So with that being said, I'm going to break down gold right now, and then we'll take a look at US 30 and NASDAQ, okay? But right now that I'm going to look at gold, if you want to see my charts, because I can't do the analysis and then holding my phone like this, go on to my YouTube channel, okay? You can find me at Official Pedro FX on YouTube, okay? Official Pedro FX. Go and find me on my YouTube. You'll see that I'm live right now and I'm sharing my charts right now. So I'm going to do a live gold breakdown right now on my YouTube channel, okay? And by the way, if you're on my YouTube as well, make sure you give it a thumbs up, guys. Let's get it to 10 likes, chat. Really do appreciate it. It does support the channel, and in turn, I can continue to create more and more content for you guys, okay? Okay, we've got Manny Kandan. Yes, I do have a signals community, but it's not just about signals. To me, it's more about actually educational, right? I want to be able to help people actually learn and earn. I don't want you just to copy my trades. I want you to learn as an individual. So if you are interested in joining my VIP inner circle, click the link in my video description or click the link in my bio. You'll be able to see the 2 memberships that I have. For a limited time, I am doing a 50% off lifetime. Okay, 50% off lifetime. If you are interested in joining, this was a VIP trade from this morning that is now well over 100 pips profit. It was a nice quick in and out for my VIP students in less than 10 minutes, okay? Now, a lot of people would be looking at buys. Why? Because we saw that the market was trending to the downside, right? We were creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and all of a sudden we got a break of structure to the upside. There was an imbalance here before, no, not an imbalance, sorry, the break of structure to the upside. 5-minute time frame. Then we see an order block here. A lot of people would have made the mistake to buy to this level and think that we're going up now, right? Because you could have said, oh, this is a downwards trend. Now there's a shift of structure on the 5. Now we're looking for buys. Wrong. We were actually looking for sells because I knew the overall structure of price. And again, this is why it's important to have the right information. If you don't have the right information, if you don't have the right guidance, you will fail, unfortunately. And I don't want you to fail, right? I've been trading for about almost 6 years, my man. So I was gonna say 7, but we're coming up to 7 soon. But about 6 years in the markets, okay? But I recently started taking it very, very seriously about 2 years ago, okay, when I started the YouTube channel. We got Chris. What do you expect of the flash manufacturing PMI? Bro, to be honest, like I don't really focus so much on what I predict could happen. I focus more on the aspect of like in this case, it would be more of like the aftermath. Okay, what did the results come back? Oh, okay, this is negative for the dollar. Perfect. Okay, if this is negative for the dollar, most likely, okay, TP3 was smashed, guys. Holy smokes, live in the flesh right now, as you guys can see. I could have held, but that's a 150 pip move for the day. it is what it is, man. I'm just happy I managed my risk. I took partials at the 20 pips, so that was TP1. I told VIP to take partial profit, move their stop loss to entry, and then right over here when it tanked, that's when I said close full, and that's pretty much it. And then, I mean, as you can see, it ended up going a lot further. So 151 pips for the day. So yeah. And again, if you want to learn from me as well, I'm going to be opening probably 5 or 10 spots. I've been talking to the management team, and it seems like we could possibly do something where we could open a few more spots, like a boot camp instead of me doing the one-on-one, just because more people could be fitted in. So I might be opening about 10 spots for a boot camp, where you guys will be able to trade live with me as well and be able to connect with me. We'll do like a live Zoom calls and stuff like that, similar to VIP, but just a little bit better because it would be kind of one-on-one. You guys can ask questions and stuff like that. So I'm considering of doing a small little project like that, where I'm going to be opening 10 spots. If that interests you, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram. And yeah, just wanted to kind of let you guys know what I'm thinking, my thoughts. I do have a Telegram channel, my man. You can find it on my YouTube channel, and every link, so like on every video that you see on my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see it at the bottom. There'll be a Telegram link on there, okay? Yeah, so I don't even want to keep staring at this. I'm just going to explain to you what I saw, because this was a beautiful move. Like, again, right? I like to typically hold till 12. Obviously, we saw such a nice clean move to the downside here. However, you know what I mean? Once you see profits, I know based off of greed and experience, sometimes you don't want to hold for too long, because we're human, right? We are consistently fighting against our flesh and our urges. And sometimes, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, it'd be cool to catch a 150 pip move. However, I secured a 100 pip move at this point. So that is kind of what's most important to me. Okay. So one thing I want to note, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, there's a few things that I wanted to mention. Okay. Now, obviously, we were creating higher highs and higher lows. The market was in this bullish trajectory. We were creating higher highs, higher lows. Market then started to shift. Now, when I noticed a shift, for me, one of the biggest shifts I noticed is when we either create an equal high, okay, or when the market fails to create a higher high. Okay, for me, that is indicator number one, that most likely once the market fails to create a higher high, most likely we are going to shift into somewhat of a range. Okay, so what happens is, and by the way, guys, for those that are following me on Instagram, once you follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on YouTube, because then you can see exactly what I'm explaining. Okay, I can't explain everything and hold the phone at the same time. So we've got yes and hi. Can you give beginners? Can you give advice for beginners? I want to scalp. Best advice, my man, is don't focus on the money. Focus on the charts. Focus on learning the skill set. Okay, that is my best advice, bro. Okay. Yeah, 2 years is when I really started taking trading more seriously. So I was very in and out, back and forth. Here, what strategy you use? Typically, I like to do like areas of supply and demand, price action, breaks and retests. I have different strategies, right, that I use. Different approaches on the market. Let's put it that way. But yeah, my best ultimate advice is always just try and focus on the charts. Try and focus on learning as much as you can. Don't focus so much on the money aspect. Don't look at the markets like that. Don't look at the markets as a way of making money. I know that's one of the main reasons why we all started. But instead, look at the markets more of, learning the skill set, wanting to know how to read as best as you can the market. You know what I mean? Once you've been trading for a while, news matters and it don't matter. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm saying. So at the point, it comes to that point where you're just like, you react after, right? You don't really have to worry about it at this point. For me, it's like, okay, cool. Gold now, for example, or the dollar's weak. Perfect. Now I understand what's going on with the economy. Now I understand what's happening. Or, oh crap, they dropped more rates. Perfect. That's great for the economy now. Now I know that this is good for the Canadian dollar. Now I know this is good for the American dollar. Perfect. So if this is good for the American dollar, most likely something's going to happen. Gold's probably going to tank, right? I don't know. You know what I mean? Like there's stuff that you really have to kind of look at it from that perspective. That's the way I see it. However, I don't solely focus on the fundamentals. I focus on the technicals and I see what the charts are telling me, right? But again, there's so many different ways you can look at the markets, right? So one of the main things that I noticed was that if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see actually we formed a double top. Okay, so the market tried, okay, it tried to create break above, but it failed. On the contrary, the market actually formed a double top here on the 1 hour, broke below, gave us a clear break of structure on the 1 hour, and we had a beautiful retest here. You can see that wick. We got in on that pullback, as you can see here, right? I think when we got in was around actually here, once we had a confirmed closure below the lows on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that's really essentially it. You can see we had a clear break of structure, not only on the 1 hour, but also on the 15-minute. We also were trending to the downside, right? Creating lower highs, lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows, right? Once I had this last lower low, this was a stronger confirmation to me that most likely that was the direction the market wanted to go. Not only that, we also had a couple areas, like I said, that I was targeting. So like this was a sell side liquidity over here. And we also saw some more sell side liquidity way down here, right? And as you can see, take profit was smashed. Not only that, if we actually go, if we go up to the higher time frames, right, you would see that the market, like I said, failed to create a higher high, right? Market then gave us a bearish closure here, creating another lower low here because this was a break of that low here, right? And then the market gave us another break below here, although I'd like to look at the market to close below the wicks ideally, but I already started noticing that shift, that bearish price action was a no-brainer. Not only that, most likely gold wants to come back down here, right? If we see, yes, on the higher time frame, we are creating higher highs and higher lows, but the market needed a pullback in order for it to continue to go higher, right? Or at least range or whatever direction it wants to go, right? So understanding this is crucial for your success in trading. If you want to become profitable, you want to become a consistently profitable day trader, it's important and crucial for you to understand these factors, right? But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna actually come out with a video because I know not everyone's gonna be here on the live stream and stuff like that. I'm gonna be pulling out a video doing a full breakdown of this beautiful gold trade that we took this morning. But other than that, man, I'm super happy for those that are learning and those that took advantage that were already in my VIP and were able to profit. So yeah, I'm happy for you guys, for those that were able to profit. We've got yes in here. I want to use liquidity and sweeps, fair value gaps as a strategy. Is it good? To be honest, man, it really just depends what you like. You know what I mean? Like for me, yes, I do use liquidity. I do obviously use fair value gaps as well, and I think it is a fairly solid strategy in itself. But to me, I don't see it as a strategy in its own. I see it as just extra added confluences, right? Because the strategy is a union of all those confirmations, and then that's where you're like, okay, I've got this, I've got my imbalance was filled, I'm at a major key level, you know what I mean, I've got a clear break of structure, I understand where the market's trending, right? Kind of thing, you know what I mean? So it's like yeah, it's a union of it. I wouldn't say just liquidity. And I mean, mind you, there's people that just trade off of, you know, imbalances and, like, you know what I mean, liquidity and stuff. But I mean, it's up to you, right? Like, you really have to find your edge, right? So, what do you expect of this news? Nothing, my man. I don't really worry about news. I don't worry about news, bro. We got the real bro. Thank you for your motivational videos. That stuff kept me going. I'm happy to hear that, bro. For what? I want to talk to you. You're talking to me right now, my man. Oh, I know, bro. Mr. 1102, it's mad Gucci, bro. I'm telling you, it's like a no-brainer, basically. Plus, who wants to be buying gold at the highest? Like, it's just like, you know what I mean? It's just you once you start understanding it, you can't unsee it. You know what I mean? It's a no-brainer. So. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I know it was early today, like short and sweet. However, Next week, keep in mind, next week we are going to be coming back even stronger. We're going to be doing the live streams twice a day. So in the mornings, okay, live every single day on my YouTube, okay, but also going to be live in the evenings as well, okay, for Asian session. Mainly just kind of going over questions, mainly kind of just like looking at the charts together, not really going to be focusing so much on like other stuff, like looking for trade opportunities, but just wanted to kind of keep you guys in the loop as to what I'm looking at, okay? But yeah, just wanted to thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I appreciate the support. Every time you see a video of mine on my YouTube or on my Instagram, every time you like it, every time you share my content, my videos, it helps me grow and it helps our community grow, and it helps me create more and more content. It just motivates me to continue to create more content for you guys. And I know it's a win-win because you're helping me grow as an individual, grow our community, but also I'm helping you grow as an individual and also become a consistently profitable trader. So I'm excited and happy for the community that we're building. I'm excited because I'm able to help you guys as much as I can. But yeah, just wanted to leave that with you guys. I appreciate the support. I wouldn't be able to do it without God first and foremost, and without you guys. So I really do appreciate all the love and all the support that you guys have given me. So I'm going to wrap up. I will probably do a short little live on Instagram later tonight. But on YouTube, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. As per usual, we are live every single day, Monday through Friday, okay? Consistently. As well as on Instagram, you'll see me come in the mornings when I'm live here on my YouTube, okay?